にちは、皆さん。Ms.P です。Hello everyone, I'm Ms.P. Today I'm gonna show you how to make an easy cheesecake. However, we are not going to use any cheese. Instead, we are going to use sour cream and vanilla jello and pie crust. So I think this cheesecake is more delicious than New York cheesecake. That's what we think. So let's get started. Today I'm gonna show you how to make sour cream cheesecake. It's super easy to make. So these are all ingredients. So the cookie crust and jello, vanilla jello, large size, okay? Large size. It says 5.1 ounce. And sour cream, it says 24 ounce, large size, a large container, okay? First of all, I'm gonna put the sour cream in the bowl. So, it's not cream cheese. However, sour cream is the best than sour cream. And next, I'm gonna put jello powder. Oops. Oh my god. Okay. So, and then mix, but you are not going to mix too much, otherwise it's not going to be solid. And next, I'm gonna put the filling in the graham pie crust. Let's see. And make this flat. Now it's done. So now you're gonna refrigerate it for a couple of hours and it's ready to eat. Okay? How is today's recipe to make an easy cheesecake which we don't have to use any cheese? So you better try. It's actually it's super delicious. So if you like this recipe and cheesecake, please subscribe and make a comment and click like. So thank you so much for watching. Bye. See you next time.